for watching our video. Bye.
You connecting it all together?
Mommy, I like allergies.
That box might have got fried in the power surge. These other boxes don't come on it.
Let me see, babe. Put it all together. Let's see how it goes.
This. Let's see how it goes on this. Let's see. That this one goes on this. No. This one goes on this bridge away on top. No. That's not right at all. That this one goes to here. No, that's on backwards. As this one goes on here. Oh, yes! It is goes on there. See how we do?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mommy, let me show you how to build.
Thank you. Please show me how you do it.
Okay, show me how to build it. Can you build it for me?
You show me how. You're connecting it nicely.
Yellow bridge. Yellow bridge.
Mm-hmm.
So, first figure out. Oh, it fits! Oh, yeah. Wait, where's all the tracks go? Oh, they're right here. Oh, I don't have a whole lot of tracks. Daddy, Mommy, I'm all done with this Apple Jacks.
Okay.
Why's these lights on?
Huh?
Stop turning these lights on.
Me. Me, I just turned the lights on, Dad.
Are you finished making this track? I want to see the long track all together.
Okay, fine.
Are you going to connect these two together right here?
Yeah.
Connect this with this?
Hey. Don't mess it up.
I didn't mess it up. I was helping you.
Oh, you helping me?
Of course. Your track is pretty long.
You're a good helper, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
And I'm a helper, too.
Oh, look. He's going. Is that Percy?
Yeah. He's number 6.
Okay. Cool.
Let's go. Oh, wrong way. Let's get some more tracks. Oh, they're right here. Okay. Here. There's no I'm gonna.
Are you done?
Not yet.
All right.
I'm almost done. Wait.
Okay.
Let's take this off. How can I take this off? Oh, there it is.
I want to see the whole long track.
Okay.
I see your red bridge,
And the yellow
a red
bridge.
turntable, a
Ah!
red bridge, a yellow bridge,
Oh, there's
and
a
a
red
green
bridge.
bridge and a tower.
Mommy, this is a red bridge?
Yes.
A red bridge? No, that's a train station.
Okay.
There's no way you're gonna.
That's a pretty long track. It looks like a Y shape.
Looks like a triangle. Not triangle. It looks like it has. It looks like it has 100 sizes.
Okay. That's pretty nice. Okay.
Mommy, count my fingers.
10.
Hey, Mommy, count to 100.
It's almost done, but one piece is not connected. Right here.
Uh-huh.
That piece wasn't connected, but now we can put it together.
Oh, train fell.
Okay.
Some Scotsman fell.
It's all done now.
Now you will drive
Your
me.
track is really long and elaborate. This is an elaborate track.
Elaborate track.
Mm-hmm.
I am.
Thank you for sharing.
Hey.
Thank you for sharing your track with me.
You welcome.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.